So the next way that we can do this exercise, instead of building it on the table, is we can go from a 2-dimensional image down to 3-dimensional building shapes. So I have a PowerPoint here, and I have similar patterns that are on this PowerPoint. So I want you to take a look at the screen and see the pattern that's there. Do you have it? Yep. Okay, great. And then now what you're going to do is you're going to go into this box, go ahead and grab the blocks that you need and see if you can build the pattern right in front of you. All right. And then when we switch the screen back, is that the pattern that you saw? Excellent. Great. Okay, so sequential memory activities are fun, right? They should feel like a fun game to play. However, remember, every vision therapy activity is all about learning. And so what we want to learn from here is how can we capture information and remember it in the right order. That's what sequential memory is about. And what are some strategies that we can use to help us remember it without mixing it up in our head? So a way that we would start to do visual memory activities is, again, to start with few pieces of information. So usually starting around 3, and then going with repeating sequences. And then as we increase in difficulty, we're going to go to longer sequences, sometimes up to like 7 or 8. And then we can do random patterns. And the strategies that we want the patients to implement is we want them to do strategies such as looking for patterns, looking for associations, being able to chunk it, and then also using like associations with funny stories or real life scenarios. So for example, we can say something that's blue and orange, and we used Blippi for our last example, that Blippi was blue and orange, but he's flipped around now because his orange hat is in the middle and his blue jeans are on the side. Something like that.
I did that again.
Did you think about that?
Blippi Christmas tree.
Blippi Christmas tree. I was thinking Blippi standing on grass, but both of them work, right? There's not one right answer as long as you can remember the sequence in the correct order. So thanks for playing sequential memory game with us. We hope you had fun, but most of all, we hope that you learned something. So we'll see you next time.